Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my classroom. Welcome again to another math tutorial. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. Today, we are going to have a video lesson for a new lesson. I hope you are all fine and homes together with your parents and other family members. Kindly read our content and performance standard for you to be guided on what you should do and what is expected from you after this video lesson. Today we will be discussing about circular permutations. Let's have the objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to solve problems involving circular permutations. Use the derived formula in solving problems about circular permutations, and value the concepts of circular permutations in solving real-life situations. Let's review first the topic we have discussed about permutations. The first one is the permutation of n object taken all at a time. P, the quantity nr, is equal to n factorial. The second one is the permutations of n object taken r at a time. P, the quantity nr, is equal to n factorial over the quantity n minus r factorial. And the last one is the number of distinguishable permutations P of n objects, where P objects are alike, Q objects are alike, and R objects are alike. P is equal to n factorial over P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial. For today, we will be discussing how to compute for the arrangement of objects in circular manner, or the circular permutation. But before that, let's derive the formula for the circular permutation using this example. Suppose it happens that Jose, Wally, and Paulo will visit you in your house. How can you arrange them in a round table if you will prepare them as snack? The given here is Jose, Wally, and Paulo, which is the number of objects, so n is equal to 3. Let's have the possible arrangements. These are the 3 possible arrangements if we will arrange them in a clockwise position. This is the circular table. The first arrangement that we have is Jose, Wally, and Paulo. The second arrangement is we're going to start at Paulo, followed by Jose and Wally. And the last arrangement we will have here Wally, Paulo, and Jose. As you have noticed, these 3 arrangements we have listed is all the same arrangements when it comes to circular permutations. This 3 arrangement is equal to just 1. Now let's have the possible arrangements when it comes to counterclockwise. These are the 3 possible arrangements if we will arrange them in counterclockwise position. This is the circular table of counterclockwise. The first arrangement is Jose, Wally, and then Paulo. The second arrangement, we will start at Wally, Paulo, and then Jose. The third arrangement will be Paulo, Jose, and Wally. Just like in clockwise position, these 3 arrangements we have listed is just equal to 1 when it comes to circular permutations, because the arrangements of these 3 persons did not change when it comes to circular permutation. So therefore, there are 2 possible ways we can arrange Jose, Wally, and Paulo if they will sit in a round table. If there are 3 persons around the circular table, we can assign one of the persons to pick seat and determine number of seats. Thus, the permutation of n object in a circle is P equals the quantity n minus 1 factorial, wherein n is the number of objects. To solve the given problem, let's apply the formula. The given value of n is equal to 3. Substitute it in the formula P equals the quantity n minus 1 factorial. It is equal to 3 minus 1 factorial equals 2 factorial equals 2 times 1, and that is equal to 2. Let's solve the first problem. Find the number of different ways that a family of 6 can be seated around a circular table with 6 chairs. The given value of n is equal to 6. Substitute it in the formula P equals the quantity n minus 1 factorial. is equal to 6 minus 1 factorial. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 factorial. And 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that is equal to 120. Let's proceed to the next problem. Your mother made different kind of desserts. Leche flan, fruit salad, buko pandan, chicken macaroni salad, ubi halaya, black sambo, and graham cake. You are to arrange the desserts in a round table. Find the circular permutation that you can make. The given value of n is equal to 7. Substitute in the formula P is equal to the quantity n minus 1 factorial is equal to 7 minus 1 factorial, and 7 minus 1 is 6 factorial, and 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that is equal to 720. Let's have the last problem. 11 Girl Scouts are seated around the campfire. How many ways can they be arranged? So the given value of n is equal to 11. Substitute it in the formula P equals the quantity n minus 1 factorial is equal to 11 minus 1 factorial. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10 factorial. And 10 factorial is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that is equal to 3,628,800. Now remember this quote. Your work is going to fill the large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle, as with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. By Steve Jobs. Thank you for watching. Keep safe always. God bless us all. Bye-bye.